ChatGPT versus Claude. Which AI assistant is better? Choosing between ChatGPT and Claude is one of the most common decisions people face when selecting an AI assistant, and it is a genuinely interesting comparison because both platforms are exceptional in their own right. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, has become the most recognizable name in consumer AI and offers a broad and versatile assistant experience across virtually every task. Claude, developed by Anthropic, has built a strong reputation for thoughtful reasoning, writing quality, and a safety-focused approach that many users find particularly trustworthy. This comparison breaks down how each assistant performs, so you can decide which one is actually better for the way you work. ChatGPT is developed by OpenAI and has established itself as the most widely used AI assistant in the world, offering a broad and capable experience across writing, coding, research, image generation, data analysis, and much more. Its GPT-4 powered models bring strong reasoning and instruction following capabilities, and its extensive ecosystem of plugins, custom GPTs, and integrations extends what users can accomplish through the platform. ChatGPT's versatility and the sheer breadth of its capabilities make it one of the most flexible AI tools available, and its massive user base means an extensive library of community resources, tips, and custom configurations are readily accessible. ChatGPT is best suited for users who want a versatile and feature-rich AI assistant with a broad ecosystem and the ability to handle virtually any task across multiple domains. Claude is developed by Anthropic and has earned a strong reputation for producing thoughtful, well-structured, and high-quality responses across writing, analysis, coding, and complex reasoning tasks. Its large context window allows it to process and reason across extensive documents, code bases, and research materials within a single conversation, which is a meaningful advantage for users working with large amounts of information. Claude's responses tend to be more nuanced and carefully considered than many competing AI assistants, and its commitment to honesty and safety gives users greater confidence in the reliability of what it produces. Anthropic's focus on responsible AI development is reflected in how Claude handles sensitive topics and ambiguous instructions. Claude is best suited for writers, analysts, developers, and professionals who prioritize response quality, reasoning depth, and a trustworthy AI collaborator for demanding intellectual work. Feature comparison: ChatGPT and Claude are both outstanding AI assistants that lead in different areas. ChatGPT leads on breadth, versatility, ecosystem richness, and the sheer range of tasks it can handle within a single platform. Claude leads on response quality, reasoning depth, document handling, and the thoughtfulness of its outputs for demanding writing and analytical work. The better assistant depends on whether you prioritize the breadth of what an AI can do or the depth and quality of how it does it. Final thoughts. If you want a versatile and feature-rich AI assistant with a broad ecosystem, image generation, custom configurations, and the ability to handle virtually any task you bring to it, ChatGPT is the most complete and widely supported platform available. If you want an AI assistant that produces consistently high quality and thoughtful responses for writing, analysis, and complex reasoning, and that you can trust to handle large documents and sensitive work reliably, Claude is one of the strongest options in that category. Both are excellent, and the better assistant is simply the one that matches how you actually use AI in your daily work.